friends, welcome back to the video series on basics of shell scripting. In the previous video, we have already worked on the while loops. In this video, we would use some tricks on the while loop. Now we can continue with the previous script where we have printed from 1 to 10 using the while loop. So open the hello.sh at first and we have to type the script once again. N is equal to 1, the first one or second one line. The first one line is always the bash band. Then we are providing while, then the condition within the square bracket, and here $n, then space minus le space, we are providing here the 10, and after that the end of the square bracket. Then the keyword the do must be there, and here we are providing the comment, first one, that is echo, and we are giving the value or finding the value as an output for the n. Then here we are providing double parenthesis opening and n plus plus, that means for the post increment, and after that end of the double parenthesis, and after that here we are providing the keyword done. But look, here we have kept it a blank line. Why? Now to print every value, rather to execute the each loop with some predefined interval, we may use the sleep command, SLEEP, where suppose we are typing or providing the value of sleep as 1, that 1 means interval as 1 second. Let us check, save the file, and what should be the output and how the output occurs. So bash hello.sh, look at the execution of each line, that means each loop, that means each and every output after 1, after 2, what happens with the output after some interval, and that interval is 1 second. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if we provide it with like that, less than equal to 3, Ctrl S to save the file, and here we are providing the sleep as 5. That means the interval would be for each loop execution at least 5 seconds and not at least the 5 seconds. Let execute it once again. 1, after the 5 seconds 2 is the output, and 1 second after the 5 seconds the 3 is the output, and the loop ends. So that is how we can use the sleep command for the predefined interval to execute each loop. Now there is another trick. If we want to open the terminal, that means here whatever the terminal we are using, that is known as the gnome terminal, that means gnome dash terminal. If we press enter, here the gnome terminal is opening. So here we are just using the while loop, open the gnome terminal. Just change or edit the line sleep 5, and here we are providing the command gnome or gnome terminal, and after that the space, and after that we have to provide ampersand sign. Without ampersand the script would not work. Ctrl S to save the file, and let's check what happens with the output once again. Ctrl L to clear the screen, and gnome terminal, not we have to execute the shell script bash hello.sh. Already we can see the 1, 2, 3 has been provided, but 3 times the gnome terminal has been opened. That is the first one, that is the second one, and that one is the third, and also the output 1, 2, 3 are there. So that is another trick where we can open the gnome terminal and also any other application we want using the while loop. Practically any shell script is based on the commands on Unix or Linux. So whatever you want you can do with the script file. If you find the video is useful, you can like, share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel.